Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Subaru Legacy 3.6R Limited. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter H6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Subaru has less than 91,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include moonroof, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and Bluetooth. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.